Right to collect.
Tony, one of your designs?
Indeed.
Gloucester Javelin?
Sorry?
Gloucester Javelin?
Gloucester Javelin, yeah. It will be out in the RCM&E in the October issue.
Oh, a plan.
So a plan feature. Yeah, with all the bits and pieces available. So we're doing this as the first one, the next one as the Jaguar 2 months later, and finish with the Swing Wing Tornado.
So just briefly tell me about the power system in this.
So the power system, originally, this is the fourth prototype. First one was twin 50 EDFs. Decided after flying the Harrier model of mine that the 70mm was just a cracking setup, and also about 40% cheaper. So I've decided to make this from 38 to 40 inch and ended up putting a single 70mm in there.
Brilliant.
And it makes so much sense. So it goes away very cleanly, so much more efficiently, 40% cheaper. What's not to like?
And the speed controller's what, a 60?
Just a 60 amp speed controller, running on 4S 4000, absolutely bomb-proof.
Brilliant.
Wonderful, wonderful setup, and it just works beautifully. That's got a gyro in it, but I do that for sort of windy days.
Yeah.
And it just sort of helps it. But apart from that, it's just a lovely model. So yeah, really pleased with it.
Great.
And it's camouflage, and I do like a camouflaged Javelin.
Yeah. Against the sky today.
Wonderful, isn't it?
Keep the wings moving.
Exactly, keep them waggling.
Yeah. Thanks very much for the demo.
Thanks, John.
Cheers.